Now we will discuss on second topic of this chapter, that is state of matter. Matters are generally found in three important states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Further two states we will discuss on next video. Okay. Now what kind of properties these solid, liquid and gases are? Okay. One by one its characteristic we will discuss. Okay. Which kind of arrangement do solid particles have, and how these liquid particles have, and how these gaseous particles are arranged. In case of solid, the particles are arranged in very closely packed. Okay, you can understand by this that whenever you will observe any solid material, you will, if you are going to touch, you will feel some rigidity like this blackboard. Okay, this is hard wood. Why it is so? Because here the particles are very closely packed. Okay. In case of there is in liquid, there is some gap. That means they are not very closely packed. They are less than solid particles. Okay. And in case of gaseous particles, they are freely packed. Here closely packed, very closely packed, and here freely packed. Okay. And how these particles are how these particles are arranged, are they vibrating? As we have discussed that particles have characteristic of they move continuously. No, they can move. Okay. But in case of solid, these particles do not move. Okay, they only vibrate in their position. But in case of liquid, they move, but they remain in their position. But in case of gases, they move freely. Okay, that's how solids have. Solid didn't remain in any container. Whatever you will container use, it will make its own shape. Okay. Okay. Next point is due to its arrangement of particles like in solid, it is very closely packed. That's why it has definite shape. Due to its molecular, you may say its particle arrangement, it has definite shape and it is uncompressible. आप इसको compress नहीं कर सकते हो. आप ब्लैकबोर्ड को प्रेस करके देखो कंप्रेस हो रहा है? नो. Only exception is sponge. Sponge has different arrangement. Due to that, air उसमें fill हो जाते हैं. That's how you can compress sponge. However, sponge is a solid material. Okay. In case of liquid, it has definite shape because there is force. Their particle is, it has force of attraction. Its particle has force of attraction. They are not freely packed. They are closely packed. You cannot, very negligible, you can compress it. Okay. And in case of gases, you can compress because there is space between these particles. Gaseous particle has a space. No, that's why you can compress. Like we have LPG gas. That is stored in cylinder. Okay, by compressing it. Okay. Now again I am coming back to solid. Solid particle, as we have discussed, it has its particle nature. That is, it has no space between them. It has very much intermolecular force of interparticle force of attraction. So it has definite shape. Liquid has not also have definite shape, but in gases they are loosely packed, so it doesn't have definite shape. Okay. Now further characteristic about volume. Okay. as you know that solid, it has fixed volume here, fixed volume, but gas is that no fixed volume. No, how it is so? Okay, next topic is that change of the state of matter. Matter can change its different state. Okay, by applying temperature or by changing pressure. By changing temperature or by changing pressure, matter can change its state. Like simple example is of that is water. Water is the only material which are available in our earth on these three states. Water, ice in form of ice, it is solid. In form of liquid, it is so in form as water, it is in liquid form, and in steam, it is in gaseous form. So, and how it convert or how it change in different state? By applying temperature. When you provide temperature to ice, it will change into liquid water, and further you apply temperature, then it will convert into gaseous state in steam form. Okay, and when you will lose temperature or you will find liquid form of water, that is in liquid form you will get water, and then for again you will cool, you will get is solid form, that is ice. Okay, so so matter can change or matter can interchange in its different state. Okay, in these three state it can change by applying temperature or by changing temperature or by changing pressure. That pressure example is that you have in your house liquid petroleum gas. By by applying different changing pressure, we compress gas and we इसको स्टोर करते हैं हम सिलेंडर फॉर्म में. ओके, सो दिस वे you can understand that matter can change its different states. Okay, now that's all from today. Okay, in next video we will discuss on further topics, and I'm hoping that you will do more self study and stay at home, be healthy and safe. Bye for